Let's read a book about volcanoes to learn about what they are and how they work. Volcanoes are vents in the Earth's crust. They come in many forms. They may look like steep mountains or round hills. Here's an erupting volcano. You can see lava coming out from the top. Volcanoes are found in certain places around the world. Sometimes they erupt. They shoot out hot ash and lava. So all of these little symbols are where active volcanoes are. Now over here is where we live. So you can see there's not any very close to us. How do volcanoes form? Volcanoes come from magma. This hot, melted rock gathers in underground magma chambers. Here's a little picture. See, the magma chamber is all the way down here inside of the earth. Magma is lighter than solid rock. Pressure helps it rise through layers of rock. So that pressure pushes up on the magma chamber and on the lava until it erupts out of the top and goes down the side of the volcano. Over time, magma reaches the Earth's surface. It erupts as lava. Cooling lava creates layers of rock that grow over time. Many layers around a vent make a big volcano. So here's that lava rock when it's hardened and cooled. Here it is when it first leaves the volcano. And over here is when it cools. You'll see it looks black and just like a regular rock. Magma can be runny or sticky. Runny magma does not hold a lot of gas. It moves slowly when it reaches the Earth's surface. Sticky magma has more gas. It gets stuck inside the Earth. The pressure builds into a powerful blast. So here's that runny magma. See how it looks like it's slowly oozing out? And that sticky magma that erupts like a powerful blast. Volcano damage. Some eruptions shoot plumes of ash and lava high into the air. Nearby people and buildings are in danger. So here's that plume. You can see the nice label is showing us with an arrow. Pyroclastic flows may roll down slopes. These hot clouds of ash and gas are deadly. So you can see it's going down the side of the mountain. Ash is unsafe to breathe. It may harm eyes and skin. It can pollute drinking water. We measure how often small and big eruptions happen. The Volcanic Explosivity Index helps us compare. So take a look at this picture down here on page 14. You'll see that it almost looks like everything's just covered in dirt. But actually, that is ash from the volcano. It looks kind of like really thick dust all over everything, but it's not very good to breathe in. And here's that Volcanic Explosivity Index. So it compares the plume height and how often that happens. Lava can reach more than 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 1,093 degrees Celsius. It ruins everything in its path. Slow-moving lava spreads across roads and yards. Roads and houses may be destroyed. It may take years to rebuild after the disaster. Predicting disaster. Past information can help predict future eruptions. It tells scientists when a volcano might explode. Seismometers also help predict disaster. They measure earthquakes that can lead to eruptions. So here's some different profiles. This volcano happened in 2018. It happened from May 3rd until September 4th. So it doesn't always just happen in one day. And it was in Hawaii. When this eruption happened, there were more than 700 homes damaged, $28 million in damage to farms, and up to $800 million in damage overall. And people also had damage because at least 2,500 people were evacuated. That means they had to leave their houses to go somewhere safe. Hundreds of people lost their homes, and some of them had long-lasting injuries from breathing the volcanic ash. So just because it goes and ruins some things, there's some other things that happen that we don't always think about. Scientists consider how long volcanoes are dormant. Dormant means just sitting and not erupting. Some may erupt again one day. Others will go extinct. Now, you've probably heard that word before when it comes to animals, but volcanoes can also be considered extinct, which means that they won't erupt anymore. Eruptions cannot be prevented. People near volcanoes must watch for signs of disaster. They may need to evacuate. Here's a long line of cars leaving to evacuate to get to a safer place. And there's our glossary. After this video, make sure to go on to Discovery Education to look at the awesome volcano video that I posted for you. It's not required, but it does have some pretty cool volcano facts.